It's already recording. It's recording now.
This one is from Rose. It's a baby monitor.
That's cute.
Compatible with the iPhone.
Yes, it is compatible with the iPhone.
Compatible with the iPhone. Wow.
Yes, we're a high-tech family. Oh, and Android.
Oh, they had to show Android though.
Oh, I'm supposed to read it out loud. Thank you.
Next one is from Cassandra.
Oh, that is so cute.
Maybe I'll pull it out.
I know.
I love that.
How old is your daughter, Sherry?
10.
No, go that way.
This is from Chantal.
Oh yeah, that comes in handy.
The Lion King convertible swing seat from here.
Is that someone's pocketbook? I'm gonna sit there, I'm videotaping now. I'm tired of snapping. Okay, thank you.
Gave up on the pictures, huh?
Oh girl, I can't take it. I have no patience.
Thank you, Keisha.
Oh, you probably need a bag, right? Why don't you use that Target bag behind you on the floor, by the chair, all the way behind you? There you go. That bag.
Oh, thank you, Chantal and Keisha.
What's up, Casey? My Asian friend is here.
I was wrong.
Oh, thank you.
There's a lot of pregnant people at this baby shower.
I know, girl.
You laughing like wait a minute. Team baby.
Thank you, Aria. Team baby.
What if they would have dropped the gift home and realized it wasn't the right people?
You know, one guy got his stuff and left. He said, I'm in the wrong place.
Everybody got
It's
pregnant.
on that side.
Wait, I need to send you all my other pregnant friends. Pregnant people come up here and
And all the pregnant women please approach the stage. She wants a picture with all the pregnant ladies. Yeah.
Guess first. It's mad ratchet.
And they all like big and pregnant.
Yeah.
It's not even like not even a small, little bit pregnant person.
From the Bronson family.
Who you with? Mom.
Ooh, what's
Who you
that?
related to? Who you related to?
We have a car seat from
There's
the
a Bronson
Brunson
family in
family.
here somewhere.
Mom, how you put it on me? That made me sick.
What do you mean? It's already on there.
Oh my goodness, that boy look just like you.
Think so?
Oh my goodness.
I guess that's a good thing.
Oh, hey, yeah.
He looks like his dad.
You know, I don't know him, I can only see you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Samantha and Steve.
Thank you, Samantha and Steve.
Is it a plate? Is it a plate?
We have a playpen.
That's nice. So far, no doubles. Because we know what's supposed to happen. That's what.
Next one is for me. Oh, was that pretty? Thank you to my sister for wrapping it for me. You gotta save the bow, Ashley. It's going on your hat.
That's a yeah. Aww.
Stroller. Actually, it's a travel system, but it's not compatible with the iPhone, unfortunately.
You didn't let us see the picture.
Yeah. Take the
Take
tape
off the paper. That's nice.
That is very nice. That's an ah.
Ooh. Ah.
This one is also for me.
You just have that one?
Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay.
I don't have any. I don't know what you're doing.
What you mean? Yours is not that way.
I don't know. That's his phone.
Well, we should just pack them both up and send them to his house now.
Yes, this is also for me.
Pack them both up and send them to his house. And I don't even think he would care. We just missed what happened. Aww.
These onesies are like thermals.
Aww. Aww. Quench your thirst.
That is really nice one.
This is from his mom. She'll be a little Gap / Polo baby.
Excuse me. Ashley, switch it. I don't want to make sure it's recorded. Switch it back to picture.